My name is Charles Mattocks. I'm a celebrity chef seen on CNN, Dr. Oz, The Today Show. I'm also a best-selling author and world diabetes advocate, and also the executive producer of the first ever diabetes reality show, Reversed. I teamed up with NSI probably about a year and a half ago. Dr. Vincent Di Pasquale is the doctor on the television show, and his wife Teresa is actually the trainer on the show. Now, I had heard about stem cell therapy, but like most of us, I didn't know much about it. They introduced me to it, and I was actually shooting a documentary based on diabetes called The Diabetic You. So they offered to give me some stem cell therapy, some stem cell treatment, and like most people, I was probably a little reluctant until I did some of my research and started to look into what stem cell therapy was and the benefits that stem cell therapy actually has to people with diabetes. And it was amazing. I remember I had flown probably about 4 weeks after I had stem cell therapy to New Orleans to shoot a segment of the show, the documentary, with a big medical center out there. So we had done all my labs and everything like that to see where I was with my diabetes and the progression and how good I was doing. And to my amazement, the labs came back and the doctor said, "Charles, you can now come off of your diabetes medication." This was only literally 4 weeks after I had stem cell therapy. So I don't know if it was, of course, part of the hard work that I was doing, but I definitely attribute some of that to the stem cell therapy treatment. So much so that some of the guests from the show, 3 guests from the show, I wanted to have on and meet Dr. Vinny and NSI, and they were also treated with stem cell therapy. Margie, who is a sweet Latin lady who I love dearly, who has made some amazing changes in her life, received stem cell treatment. From her doctor, she was able to come off of her diabetes medication. Jerome, who is insulin dependent, was cleared after stem cell treatment weeks later to be able to come off of his medication for insulin. Lisa has lost, since her stem cell treatment, has lost over 60 pounds, has reduced her insulin 80%, and it's just getting started. So I really want to be able to introduce stem cell treatment and the work that NSI is doing to a lot more people who have diabetes and other conditions that this type of treatment can help. So I'm excited about the future, because this is the future, actually. And you know, we really have to be able to take our own health into our hands, because you know, we live in a world right now where insurance is changing. Many don't have insurance. You know, we only are getting a few minutes of our time with our doctor, our primary care physician. People are lost and confused on which way to go. So having an alternative, having another option like stem cell treatment it's a gift. And definitely we have to look into it and really look at the possibilities of how this can improve our life. Because like I said, it's improved mine, and a lot more to go.